How can teams effectively collaborate? It's really easy. Just get amongst it, quite frankly. Get involved. Everybody in the team has a different viewpoint, different experience, different lifestyle, and that all contributes to creating a really diverse and interesting product. Getting people involved. If you're a researcher, your team comes out on research. It's not a question, it just happens. I once did legitimately work in an office where I was about to go out on research, somebody else couldn't make it, and one of our team just went, right, look, you're going, in you go. You just got in the car with me. You didn't know where we were going, and we went out and did research. It was great. This is really important because it allows you to see everybody getting the first-hand experience of the research, but it brings in their experience. Also allows you to work together. If you're designing new services and ideas, let everybody throw things in. Your service doesn't exist in a vacuum. Your experiences outside may shape the future of a service, as long as you keep in mind that those are just your experiences and balance those against the experiences of users. But play it together. It's fun, it's collaborative, it should be an experience you can all share.